Alright, picture this. You're sitting at your desk, staring at a mountain of bills and a tiny sliver of a savings account. You know you need to invest, to build wealth, to finally stop living paycheck to paycheck. But where do you even start? The stock market feels like a foreign language, and the idea of picking individual stocks? Terrifying. You've heard about robo-advisors, but they feel a bit too hands-off. You want control, but you also want simplicity. Sound familiar? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the world of investing, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a platform that aims to bridge that gap between total control and effortless automation, M1 Finance. So, how exactly does M1 Finance work? It's not just another brokerage, it's a platform built on the concept of pies. Yes, pies. Think of it like this. Instead of picking individual stocks and bonds, you create a personalized pie, or portfolio, made up of slices representing different investments. Each slice is a percentage of your overall pie, and M1 Finance handles the rest. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need to understand the core concept of pies. These pies are essentially your investment portfolios, custom-built to reflect your specific goals and risk tolerance. You can create a pie from scratch, choosing from thousands of stocks, ETFs, and even pre-built expert pies. Or, you can start with a pre-made pie and customize it to your liking. Now, let's talk about the slices. Each slice of your pie represents a specific investment. You can allocate a certain percentage of your portfolio to each slice. For example, you might have a slice for tech stocks, another for real estate ETFs, and another for bonds. The size of each slice determines the percentage of your overall investment allocated to that particular asset. Here's where M1 Finance gets interesting. It uses a process called dynamic rebalancing. This means that the platform automatically buys and sells assets within your pie to keep your portfolio aligned with your target allocations. Let's say your tech stock slice has performed exceptionally well, and now it represents a larger percentage of your portfolio than you initially intended. M1 Finance will automatically sell some of those tech stocks and buy other assets in your pie to bring it back into balance. This ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your investment strategy over time. But how does M1 Finance decide what to buy and sell? This is where the automation comes in. When you deposit money into your M1 Finance account, the platform automatically invests it according to your pie's allocations. It buys the assets that are underweight and sells the assets that are overweight. This process happens automatically every time you deposit money, ensuring that your portfolio is always working towards your target allocations. Now, let's talk about the types of investments you can include in your pies. M1 Finance offers a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares. Fractional shares are particularly useful for those who want to invest in expensive stocks like Amazon or Google but don't have enough money to buy a full share. With fractional shares, you can invest any dollar amount you want, regardless of the stock's price. M1 Finance also offers pre-built expert pies, which are curated portfolios created by investment professionals. These pies are designed to cater to different investment goals and risk tolerances. For example, you might find a pie focused on growth stocks, another on dividend-paying stocks, and another on socially responsible investing. These pre-built pies can be a great starting point for beginners or for those who want to take a more hands-off approach to investing. Another key feature of M1 Finance is its borrow feature. This allows you to borrow money against your investment portfolio at a low interest rate. This can be useful for those who need access to cash but don't want to sell their investments. However, it's important to remember that borrowing against your portfolio can be risky, and you should only do so if you understand the potential risks involved. M1 Finance also offers a checking account and a debit card, which are integrated with your investment account. This allows you to seamlessly manage your finances in one place. You can use your debit card to make purchases, and any cash back you earn will be automatically invested into your pie. Now, let's address the question of fees. M1 Finance offers a free basic account, which includes all the core features of the platform. However, they also offer a premium account called M1 Plus, which includes additional features like morning trading windows and higher interest rates on your checking account. M1 Plus comes with a small annual fee. So, who is M1 Finance for? It's ideal for those who want a blend of automation and control over their investments. It's perfect for beginners who are looking for a simple and intuitive platform, as well as for experienced investors who want to streamline their portfolio management. The pie-based approach makes it easy to create and manage a diversified portfolio, while the dynamic rebalancing feature ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals. One of the biggest advantages of M1 Finance is its flexibility. You can customize your pies to reflect your unique investment strategy and risk tolerance. You can choose from a wide range of investments, and you can adjust your allocations at any time. This level of customization is not typically found in traditional robo-advisors. Another advantage is the automation. The dynamic rebalancing feature takes the guesswork out of portfolio management, ensuring that your investments are always working towards your goals. This can be particularly beneficial for those who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their portfolios. However, M1 Finance is not without its limitations. One potential drawback is the limited trading windows. M1 Finance only executes trades once per day, which can be a disadvantage for those who want to actively trade their investments. This is by design and promotes a long-term investment strategy, but should be noted. Another potential drawback is the lack of access to human advisors. While M1 Finance offers a wealth of educational resources, it doesn't provide access to personalized financial advice. This means that you'll need to do your own research and make your own investment decisions. Let's recap the key features of M1 Finance. In conclusion, M1 Finance is a powerful and versatile platform that offers a unique approach to investing. Its pie-based system, dynamic rebalancing feature, and wide range of investment options make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. Whether you're looking for a hands-off approach or a more customized experience, M1 Finance has something to offer. It's important to remember that investing always carries risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.